Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make a praline, a delightful sweet treat. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of sugar, 1/2 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of butter, and 1 1/2 cups of slivered almonds or pecans. Next, prepare your workspace by lining a baking sheet with parchment paper and lightly buttering it. Finally, pre-toast your nuts in an oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes to enhance their flavor. Now let's create the rich caramel base. In a medium saucepan, combine your 2 cups of sugar and 1/2 cup of water. Place the pan over medium-low heat, allowing the sugar to fully dissolve without stirring. Once dissolved, bring the mixture to a simmer. Continue to cook, still without stirring, until the syrup transforms into a beautiful deep amber color. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, so keep a close eye on it. The next step requires speed. As soon as your caramel reaches that perfect deep amber hue, remove the saucepan from the heat. Immediately stir in your 1 tablespoon of butter until it's completely melted and incorporated. Then, quickly add your toasted nuts, ensuring every piece is generously coated in the warm, sticky caramel. Without delay, pour this mixture onto your prepared baking sheet, spreading it out evenly to a thin layer. Finally, for the finishing touches, let your praline cool completely at room temperature. This allows it to harden into a brittle, glass-like candy. Once firm, you can easily break it into beautiful, irregular pieces or shards. These delicious treats are perfect for snacking, gifting, or crushing into a powder for other desserts. For best results, store your finished pralines in an airtight container at room temperature, where they will remain fresh and crunchy.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.